no connection, with Bollywood, but you still landed your first debut with Dharma Productions.
Yeah.
So how did that happen? Tell us.
I got a call from Vishal Shekhar. He said, we want to try your voice. And I was shivering and I was like, I don't know what's happening. I was so nervous. मैंने कहा शायद आवाज ही नहीं निकलेगी, हवा ही निकलेगी. Like those kind of feelings.
Music industry में originality खत्म हो गई है.
I feel like old is gold, original is the best, but what stays is good poetry and melody.
Would you rather be a judge alongside Sunidhi Chauhan or Shreya Ghoshal?
That's really difficult. I have to pick one.
Yeah, no. So how do you look after your baby's skin?
बड़ा बड़ा काजल मत लगाना जो कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे लगाया. मेरी हर फोटो में भरतनाट्यम eyes थी मेरी.
So do you take any restrictions for your voice?
I know singers who will be on the rocks before going on stage.
Dabur Vita, what women want. Powered by Tirupati Edible Oils on Mirchi Plus.
Hello and welcome to Dabur Vita, what women want on Mirchi Plus. मैं हमेशा ये ट्राई करती हूँ to interview people from different walks of life. इसीलिए मैंने आज म्यूजिक फ्रेटर्निटी से ऐसे गेस्ट को इनवाइट किया है जिसकी सिंगिंग सुनकर फैंस को हो जाता है इश्क वाला लव. Have you guessed it yet? Please welcome the beautiful Neeti Mohan. Hi.
Hi. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming on my show.
Thank you. You are such an inspiration. And life में जितनी भी अदाएं और पूर्णेस हमने सीखी है लाइफ में मैंने और मेरी sisters ने वो आपसे सीखी है.
No.
So very happy to be here.
I'm so happy you're here. But Neeti, obviously, तुमने अपनी शुरुआत reality TV से की. And then no connection, with Bollywood. But you still landed your first debut with Dharma Productions.
Yeah.
So how did that happen? Tell us.
So I took part in one of the first ever reality shows, Channel V पे, and I was part of a band. That's when एक दिल्ली की लड़की moved to Mumbai and with big dreams and with this dream of singing for films, and क्योंकि बचपन से film music has been such a part of my life, and I thought that it'll be amazing if I ever get to sing in a film.
And you were passionate about singing from a young age.
Yeah, since childhood, I used to love music and dance and being on stage. So, I mean, thanks to reality shows, that ocean of reality shows that started, and one of the first ever reality shows called Pop Stars on Channel V, my sisters said, "Aapko jana hi padega, you have to take part in it, and we know you will win it." So I think that's what happened. I went, I won, और एक दिल्ली की लड़की मुंबई आ गई, and then my family shifted here.
Lovely.
And then I auditioned for A.R. Rahman sir's live concerts. I was part of his band for many years. I still am, and that's when one of the days I got a call from Vishal Shekhar, Vishal Dadlani, and then he said, we want to try your voice for a song. We want a fresh voice. So I went and I tried Ishq Wala Love Ka Antara. And then they said, okay, we'll let you know if the voice works. And then after a few days, they called me. They said the voice works, and I was shivering, and I was like, I don't know what's happening. I had no idea what this song was about, and ye kis film ke liye hai. I did not know it was for Student of the Year. I did not know it was for Alia, and I did not know that these
Karan Johar was involved.
Karan Johar was directing it. Farah Khan choreographed the song, and Varun and Siddharth are there in the song.
Amazing.
So I had no idea. So it was like a launch for me as much as it was for Varun, Alia, and Siddharth.
How
and
amazing!
I think I feel super lucky and fortunate that people like Vishal Shekhar, people like Rahman sir, they give breaks to new voices, and I'm so grateful to them. If they did not have faith in my voice, I would not have been here.
There is a buzz कि Hindi, the music industry में originality खत्म हो गई है. Obviously, people are we're in the whole remix kind of era. People are picking up purane songs, remixing them, and obviously churning them out. So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm part of both, where I am doing original music, which I feel more proud of.
Right.
But at the same time, I realized that songs like Lag Ja Gale, songs like प्यार मांगा है तुम्ही से, which I sang, I was part of the recreation, और हर किसी को नहीं मिलता, या फिर तुम्हें अपना बनाने की, So all these songs, I now feel like when I sing them in my concerts, the generation who is now, really young, they get to educate themselves with these beautiful melodies.
Right, right.
So I feel like old is gold, original is the best, but at the same time, it just that you have to cater to the generation that is listening to music. And with times, the music is changing, the sound is changing. You know, what we were enjoying in 70s, we are not enjoying that now. We are enjoying that differently, like a little more, I would say, lo-fi versions. You know how everybody enjoys the lo-fi versions now suddenly. Or there was a time of dubstep. So any song but with a dubstep vibe, it'll work. So I feel with times we have to change our sounds. And but what stays is good poetry and melody. So that is something that even 60s ka music can be relevant today if it has a sound of today.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, the 60s and 70s, their songs were just
mind-blowing.
Glorious.
Wow.
Absolutely. So, all right, we're going to play the quick game. It's a game of choices, okay? So I'm going to give you a choice, choose, and we go. Would you rather sing a dance number or a romantic song?
A romantic number to dance beats.
To dance
know how
beats.
You will do that. Okay, romantic song.
Romantic song.
Yeah.
Would you rather sing with Badshah or Honey Singh?
Okay, with Badshah.
Badshah.
Yeah.
Would you rather be a playback singer or feature in a music video?
Feature in my music video.
Okay, feature a music video. Would you rather listen to Himesh Reshamya songs or Tony Kakkar?
Both? Can I say both? No.
It's a game of choice.
Okay, Himesh Reshamya.
Himesh Reshamya. Okay, fine. Would you rather be a judge alongside Sunidhi Chauhan or Shreya Ghoshal?
That's really difficult. But I love both of them. It's really difficult to say.
I know, but
I have to pick one.
Yeah, no.
Oh, okay. Okay, because Shreya and me delivered like within 10 days, I'll say Shreya.
Fair enough.
We'll have baby talks.
Yeah, lovely.
So, yeah.
Perfect. Would you rather co-sing with Neha Kakkar or Neha Bhasin?
Okay, I know Neha Bhasin for a very long time. We are from Delhi and we were in the same dance group also. So Neha.
I think you were really brave, obviously, because I put you in a spot choosing, one, especially when it's your colleagues. It's very difficult, so you get this hamper.
Thank you.
Thank you for being so honest and like actually picking your choice.
Thank you.
So now, since you're new to parenting, I have this really fun game. It's called Dabur Vita 7 Stars of Parenting. So you have to, I'm going to give you a situation. So मैं आपको situation दूंगी. You have to rate that situation between 1 and 7 stars.
Okay.
So the first situation is unstoppable crying.
Oh, like minus में है क्या?
Exactly. You're like,
that
oh my
situation God. is minus में.
Yeah. Minus. Like, yeah, you get stressed. कि क्या हो रहा है? They can't really, express themselves.
Yeah, I mean that time ना suddenly सारे वो cognitive functions वो होते हैं कि okay, what is he crying for? Hunger? Is it the diaper change?
Yeah.
Is it something has hurt him or something?
Yeah.
So सारे वो मतलब immediately you have to be so spontaneous and intelligent about it. क्या है क्या? Fix it.
Yeah.
So, especially in the middle of the night. You don't know why the baby is crying.
So you're minus.
Minus. This situation is minus.
When your baby grips your finger.
Oh, 10 stars?
Yeah. You can.
7.
Yeah. 7 stars. Baby proofing the home.
Oh God. अभी baby proofing से ज़्यादा it's like a shield that we walk around.
Yeah, because now
ऐसे पकड़ के कि इधर भी जाना है, उधर भी जाना है, फिर suddenly इसके नीचे जाना है, उसके बाद सोफे के नीचे भी कुछ मिल गया है, उसके बाद लैम्प के ऊपर जाना है, फिर फैन भी छू लेना है. In 1 minute.
Yeah, they are just bam, all over. Yeah. So I would say 1 star. No?
1 star.
It's a painful situation.
Yeah.
The delivery experience.
So luckily my delivery was very smooth.
Okay.
I was like really in a very meditative state. I don't know how. When I tell people, they laugh. They're like, "Ye ho kaise sakta hai?" And me and my husband were just chanting. And my delivery was almost like 24 hours. Long delivery. And yet I managed 24-hour labor, and yet I managed a normal delivery with...
Brilliant.
Yeah, and I was telling the doctor, is it done? It was so fast.
Oh, God.
So, 7. I really enjoyed my delivery,
lovely.
My pregnancy was fab.
Oh, so nice. The first time your baby stands.
Oh, your heartbeat stops.
Yeah. Like, oh, God.
Yeah, 7 to that.
7 stars
yes.
also. Baby smell. The best.
Oh no.
After bath time.
Yes, yes. I think एक baby smell का perfume आना चाहिए. I want to carry that with me.
Yeah, remember that always, na, in life. So I think it's also
7 stars.
Amazing. I think you did really well. Cheers to that. Fantastic. You answered all.
Thank you.
Thank you. So obviously, Neeti, जो हम काम करते we don't really know उसका outcome क्या होता है. Like जैसे कि film का जो box office success है, you know, some do well, some don't. You know, that's just the way it is. So I'm sure in your case also you've experienced it. Have you ever had a song that you have thought has like outperformed itself? कि कभी सोचा नहीं था that, you know, it would be such a big hit, or a song that you thought would be and has, you know, performed quite worse?
Yeah, both. I think I have experienced both the situations where I thought the song was fabulous and mind-blowing and nobody ever heard it. Like, for example, the album Bombay Velvet. I thought that entire album, I was the voice for Anushka Sharma in that, and she plays a jazz singer.
Right.
So I trained, you know, I learned jazz music and I trained and we really enjoyed making the music. But the music never released. I mean, it released, but it never played on radios or anything. So that was like shocking for me.
Shocking and hard.
It was very heartbreaking for us. And I think me, Amit Trivedi, Amitabh Bhattacharya, all of us worked so hard on the album. So, but yes, those who heard it, they are like, oh my God, what cult album this is.
Yeah.
And then there was a song, like there are some songs like, for example, Kheech Meri Photo. Kheech Meri Photo, Piya. I thought, okay, I don't think...
Was it in a movie?
Yeah, it's in a movie called Sanam Teri Kasam.
Okay.
And music is by Himesh. So, you know, I mean, it's catchy, but I never thought it'll become like a huge song. Or Meri Jaan from Gangubai Kathiawadi. That, because that has such a retro feel to it.
Right.
So I thought, pretty retro feel hai, but it became a massive song.
Yeah. So that's just, you know, you never know these things. You know, you don't know the outcome, but you have to give your best, I think, to everything. Like how we just give our best to every character. You don't really know which one you know would work. So Neeti, there are many new singers in the industry now.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of avenues have opened up and music apps, whatnot. So do you think that opportunities have become easier now than they were, you know, a couple of years ago?
I think to an extent it's true because earlier opportunity is the game, I feel. And if wo hi pehle available nahi tha because it was very hard to reach that place earlier.
Yeah.
But now thanks to internet and this digital era that you could be sitting anywhere in the world and you could release your song, you can, you know, people can use that on their reels and you can, they can just... many songs
so now, connectivity has become a lot more, you know, easier than what it was. So obviously as a singer, I know that खाने की भी बहुत restrictions हैं because, you know, riyaz, you have to look after your voice and, you know, fried food I'm sure is totally out of bounds. But I'm going to play this game with you where I'm going to test you and give you some food descriptions of fried foods and you have to kind of tell me what the dish is. Okay. Thin, long potato slices garnished with salt.
Fries?
Yes.
French fries?
Yes. Oh my God. Thank God we're doing this after lunch. Round, spicy mashed potato patty coated with chickpea flour.
Bread pakoda, bonda, aloo bonda, vada pav.
Vada pav. Not bad. So I'm sure you eat all this.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Love it.
A triangular pastry stuffed with potatoes and peas.
Samosa!
Yeah, which we love.
We love samosa.
Yeah. A round-shaped spicy donut served with coconut chutney.
Medu vada.
Ah, lovely. I think...
I'm a foodie. I love food.
But I think because of... Isn't it that you all can't eat all like these kind of...
I mean, it depends. Basically, you learn. You learn what makes your throat happy and what does not. So I know where I have to draw my limit.
So do you take any restrictions for your voice in terms of...
Yes, I think anything too cold doesn't work for me.
Okay,
but I know singers who will be on the rocks before going on stage. So it's totally very subjective and very individualistic. But for me, anything cold, very cold.
So you stay away from...
Yeah, like iced drinks won't work for me. So I won't have that. But otherwise, rest everything is okay.
Rest everything is fine. Neeti, तुम एक नई mom हो.
Yes.
So how are you balancing motherhood as well as your work now?
Oh, it's another chapter. मुझे लगता है हम book लिख सकते हैं. When you become a mother, your life changes so beautifully, and I feel super privileged. I think it's an honor to become a mother. My son is now 22 months, and I think it's been so beautiful. I've never been more happy than this. I think this is like the biggest happiness. मुझे लगता है I've struck gold, you know, since that I've become a mother. And
what is his name?
His name is Aryaveer.
Aryaveer, it's a lovely name.
And मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था when I was pregnant that okay, now I think I'll take a break. I would not have the energy to work. And उल्टा हो गया है. In fact, I have more energy to work. I am more like, you know, as much as I'm a mother at home, I'm really enjoying my work.
Okay.
And trying to balance this. And I think that
so you're working more now, you're saying?
Yeah, I'm working more, in fact.
Oh, so you are balancing it well, spending time maybe at your studio as well as, you know, looking after your son at the same time.
Yes, मुझे लगता है कि जब you become a mother, एक MBA हो जाता है आपका on your own, because you start managing your day, your schedule for your son and for your baby and for yourself so well that you want to just enjoy life. As soon as I'm home, I don't see my phone. I just want to be with my child.
Obviously.
And when I'm out, then I don't think about him. I know that he's well looked after.
He's well looked after.
Fine.
That
he's
is
enjoying.
Yeah, that is the most important.
It's very important.
To just, you know, that they're well looked after. अगर parenting की नई परंपरा देखी जाए, तो the way today's mothers care for their baby's sensitive skin is very different from before. So how do you look after your baby's skin?
Well, I am somebody who follows, you know, my pediatrician's advice. He never advised कि तेल मालिश करनी है और सरसों का तेल लगाना है. He said, no, don't do that. बड़ा बड़ा काजल मत लगाना, जो कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे लगाया. मेरी हर फोटो में भरतनाट्यम आईज थी मेरी. So, but I think now with times, because they do so many researches and they find out कि क्या नहीं work करता है baby पे और क्या नहीं. So now we are much more advanced in terms of skin care for children, for infants especially. And I mean, I just make sure that he's looking and feeling soft and nice all the time.
Lovely. And for that, we have a lovely little hamper from Cetaphil for your little one.
That's so sweet.
So please use all the products for him.
And I'll apply it on the elephant also.
Yes, that's a little
Thank you,
gift for him. So in an interview, you had said your father always wanted a son. Of course, now he's, I'm sure, very, very proud of you. But did that in any way give you that motivation? Ki, okay, you know, I just have to, like, you know, prove myself and be the best?
Oh, well, we are 4 sisters and it's not really like that. I think kahi people sometimes they write. In fact, my father is very proud and proud of his daughters, and he's the reason we decided our own careers, we decided our path, and he's the pillar behind us. So,
absolutely. And
you know,
he's so proud of you today.
Yeah, and I think it was very difficult early in the day to decide a career which is not really a 9-to-5 job, to decide a career where I could not see myself like getting promoted or a fixed salary coming. It's very difficult, right? And especially in art field, people are like, oh, glamorous industry mein mat jao, ye hoga, woga.
Oh God.
So I mean, I chose to be a singer. My sister Shakti chose to be a dancer.
Oh, lovely.
And she won Dance India Dance. Then Mukti also won Jhalak Dikhla Ja and so many other shows, Fear Factor. So all 3 of us out of 4.
And your 4th one is doing what?
4th one, basically 3 of us इतने ज़्यादा कैमरा के आगे हैं, एक थोड़ा पीछे भी रह ले. So she's the backbone and she's our cheer squad and she's cheering us. Her name is Kriti.
Okay, lovely.
So yeah, we are 4 of us, and it's absolutely because our parents supported us and they said that, you know, just fly. We are there. Yeah, just fly and follow your heart.
So Neeti, of course, तुम एक band के हिस्सा रही हो.
Yes.
What are your thoughts on girl bands in India? And have you or did you and your sisters ever think of forming a band together?
We did, actually, I'll be honest. We did think of forming a band. But then my sisters have not trained in singing. तो कह रही हम पीछे एक एक लाइन गा लेंगे. I said,
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
ऐसे एक एक लाइन हम लोग गा लेंगे. बहुत साल पहले ऐसे बोलते थे वो लोग. But I'm somebody who is more like, you know, a mother to my sisters also, because मुझे बचपन से उनके लिए, I'm always looking out for them, and I feel like no, my sisters will not be behind me, they'll be ahead of me. So मैं उनको कभी पीछे नहीं कर रहा. So I said no, you will be what you want to be, but we'll come together and perform. You know, so now we have started performing together. It's called Mohan Sisters Live.
Oh,
where
nice.
My sisters and me, we perform together. I sing,
The three of you.
dance, and and we do concerts.
How lovely, amazing. So तुमने काफी reality shows की है as a judge, as a contestant. So how different is it to be a judge on a show or, you know, and a contestant?
मुझे तो दोनों में ही goosebumps आते हैं because I remember how it felt, you know, walking up to the stage where judges were sitting, and I was so nervous. मैंने कहा शायद आवाज ही नहीं निकलेगी, हवा ही निकलेगी. Like those kind of feelings were coming. And then cut to now when I'm on, you know, life has come full circle, and now I'm this side of the chair.
Yeah.
And when I see a young child aspiring singer walking towards, I feel their anxiousness. I feel where they're coming from.
Yeah.
Because it's hard. It's very hard to
I know,
show
to pick
up
one person and you know.
Yeah, and to present yourself in front of people who are already like established. It's very hard. There are lights and there are so many people looking at you. Abhi kya gayenge? So it can be hard, but I think what I believe in doing is just encouraging everybody, because everyone's dream is precious, and somewhere, someday, you know, people like Vishal Shekhar and Rahman sir believed in my voice, and I want to believe in their voice today.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know, because being a judge is like, I think it's just, it's I think it's very scary.
Yeah.
But contestant also, I can imagine that, you know, the stomach gripes that you get when, you know, I did a reality show, and I'm now thinking of it, I'm like, my God. You know, I was a judge and I was like, I don't think I can do it because it's so heartbreaking.
It is heartbreaking to say, oh, you didn't make it and you made it.
Okay, so obviously this is what the audience has asked, and they want to know that these singing reality shows, किस हद तक scripted है?
Okay. So, मुझे ऐसा लगता है that script तो हर show की लिखी जाती है, right? There is no show that happens without script. But there are these moments, the emotions are so high. Sometimes they cry. Sometimes somebody has just lost a parent or something. So they end up sharing that with us because that time that show is their family. Yeah. So that sometimes can feel like it's over drama or something.
But you're
too
seeing
dramatic
those people day in and day out.
But I feel I'm still in touch with all the children I recently met on Saregama, and most of them genuinely, you know, we knew about their family. And I'm in touch with them, and I kind of adopted one of the kids, and I'm looking after his education.
How nice.
And because he lost his father last year. So I feel like it's not drama. It's really not drama.
कभी-कभी connect हो जाता है.
कभी-कभी उसमें जो सच्चाई है, that intention is pure.
Right.
You know, we are not trying to create. But yes, when it's edited and when you watch it, 2 घंटे की चीज 5 मिनट में, it will look dramatic.
Like staged kind of.
It will look staged.
Yeah, that's true. And of course, lastly, I can't let you go without taking a selfie with me in my super sleek mirror. Please, let's go.
Let's go.
To our selfie mirror.
Okay.
Shall we take a selfie or a selfie video? I think
Whatever
a selfie video of you singing something for me.
For you.
Okay.
Surk wala, soz wala, faiz wala love. होता है जो love से ज़्यादा वैसे वाला love, इश्क वाला love.
Wow! Thank you so much. That was so nice. I'm so happy I got to meet you and you came on the show.
Here.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, that's it from me today on Dabur Vita What Women Want, the complete health drink for 7 vital growth needs. Until next time, bye. To watch more episodes of What Women Want, click here.